Hello fellow crochet enthusiasts! Today, we're embarking on a creative journey to crochet a star. So, grab your hook, your yarn, and let's get started. To begin our star, we'll start by making a magic ring. Take the tail end of your yarn and hold it in your hand. Create a double loop with the working yarn. Now, insert your crochet hook through the loop, yarn over, and pull through to create a slip knot. For our first star point, work one single crochet into the magic ring. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over again to complete the single crochet. Next, create one double crochet into the magic ring. Now, let's add a picot to make our star point stand out. To do this, chain 1. After chaining 1, slip stitch into the top of the double crochet you just made. This will create a little loop at the tip of our star. Now, we'll repeat this pattern sequence around the magic ring: 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and a slip stitch into the double crochet. We'll do this a total of 4 times to create our star. After making 4 star points, cut the yarn, leaving a tail. Gently pull the tail end of the yarn to tighten the magic ring. Thank you for joining me on this crochet adventure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more crochet inspiration and tips. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy crocheting!